Do I look freaky in this makeup? I'm gonna eat ya. Ow. Okay, not really. I'm gonna get my trusty clipboard for another top 10. Top 10. This is top 10 things I just don't get. Why did I get a country accent right there? I don't know. Well, anyways, number. Oh, yes, that's 10. Why people thought Twilight would be better than Harry Potter? I do not know. Are y'all crazy? Number 9. Why people think talking I am is funny. Me, I would say gotta go into the GTG. That's just me. Because really, does everybody get GTG? It's kinda stupid. Stop it. Alright. Number 8. Why you say the word death as in dying? And people just keep smoking. Yeah. It calms you down, into an early grave. You definitely calm down after that. Number 7. The reason for house phones now. I mean, come on, people. Why would you want to have a house phone? I mean, I have a perfectly good calculator. You just type a little number right there. And hello? Hello? I can never get a signal. Why Colin Farrell keeps his eyebrows bushy is number 6. Really? He really needs to shave this. He's got like this unibrow thing. I think he thinks from somewhere else, but I heard he is from the United States of America. No. He thinks they're like Italian or something. He's not Italian. Number 5. Where is it? The point of a diary when you're an online blog. Really? Would you rather write or would you rather type? Because I rather type. Number 4. How Amy Winehouse got famous is a mystery to me. I mean, come on, people. She looks like a man with a cat on her head. That's just me. That's just me. The Beehive in the 60s. Number 3. Why Marilyn Monroe is more famous than Betty Page. I mean, come on, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Number 2. How Daniel Radcliffe got so hot. Look at that sexy man. Let me get another. Yeah. I mean, he's kind of cute in that picture, but you gotta tell me now. He's pretty fine. He's pretty fine. Number 1, I don't know why I got really ghetto right there, but number 1, why everyone denies the existence of aliens. I mean, come on. Do you really know what's out there? I don't even know what's out there, but I do know that one's in my bedroom. Ooh. Now, 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 now. I come in peace. Now. Okay, it's not really alien, but you know what I mean. There's still coming aliens, you don't know. Bye. I'll see you next time on Top 10. Do a little dance, do a little dance. Okay.